Welcome to Everbrook, a beautiful new community coming to Angier, where small town charm meets modern convenience. Located just minutes from the heart of Downtown Angier and only 20 minutes from the shopping and dining of Fuquay-Varina, homeowners will enjoy easy access to Highway 55, 401, 540, and I-40 for a straightforward commute to Raleigh and Research Triangle Park. This intimate community features a variety of versatile two-story single-family homes. With Pulte's life-tested designs, you'll find open layouts, gourmet kitchens, 3-car garage options, expansive owner suites, and flexible rooms to fit your lifestyle. When you build with Pulte, you will personalize your home selections at our design center. Get ready to choose from an amazing selections of tile, cabinets, countertops, flooring, lighting, and more during one-on-one time with our design studio consultants. Each home is situated on a large estate-sized home site, so your dream backyard can become a reality here. Whether you are planning for a swimming pool, a built-in barbecue and entertainment space, or a perfect playground, our large home sites will deliver. Plus, high-speed internet and cable TV are included in the HOA, providing significant monthly savings and convenience from day one. Nature is your neighbor here. You are just 7 minutes from the 80-acre Jack Marley Park, featuring a beautiful pond, walking trails, tennis courts, and a playground. There are an abundance of greenway trails, parks, golf courses, and gardening centers nearby. When it's time to shop or dine, you're perfectly positioned. Enjoy the unique boutiques and cafes in Downtown Angier, known as the Town of Crepe Myrtles. Or head into Fuquay-Varina for major retailers like Target, local breweries, and various entertainment options. Everbrook is designed for a tailored lifestyle of personalization and serenity. Join our interest list today to stay in the know. You'll be the first to receive updates on pricing and grand opening timing. This is the ideal time to secure your future at Everbrook, work with our financing team, and find the perfect home site to build your new home. We can't wait to welcome you to Everbrook and show you why this is the perfect place to start your next chapter.